Welcome to Samson K channel. The motto is I come to win, presented by DP Kokate. Now in this video we learn about English workshop of 1.3 Hope is the thing with Heather of 9th class. In English workshop, the first question is or activity is match the following. There are two columns A and B. In column A, the words is given like hope, gale storm, keep warm, chilliest land, and a crumb. And in column B, the meaning of the words in column A is given in column B, like difficult and problem, toughest time in life, a very small bit, a nest in tree, provide comfort, and bird. Now let's see the answer of the match. First, hope. The answer is yup, that is bird. Second, gale or storm. The answer is B, toughest time in life. Third, keep warm. The answer is provide comfort, that is E. Fourth, chilliest land. Answer is A, difficulties and problem. And fifth, a crumb. The answer is C, a very small bit. Now the second question is use the proper form of the verb in each line. Let's start. Hope is the thing with feathers that perch in the soul. The answer is that perches in the soul. And sing the tune without the words. The answer is and sings the tune without the words. Next, and never stop at all. The answer is and never stops at all. Next, question 3. Read the examples and fill the blanks in the same pattern. Now this is the activity or question based on the degree. That is positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So let's start. Examples is given like sweet, sweeter, and sweetest. While making the comparative degree of a verb sweet, we add only er at the last of the word. And making the superlative degree of a verb, we add est at the end of the word. So let's start. Fast, faster, fastest. Slow, slower, slowest. High, higher, highest. Low, lower, lowest. Great, greater, greatest. Bright, brighter, brightest. Warm, warmer, warmest. And the last, cold, colder, coldest. The second example is different from the first example. In the second example, strange, the verb is given and the comparative degree of a strange becomes stranger. Only R is added in the last of the verb. While making superlative degree, we only add st at the end of the verb. So let's start. Brave, braver, bravest. Fine, finer, finest. Simple, simpler, simplest. Large, larger, largest. Close, closer, closest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Now, question number 4. Find the phrase and lines in the poem that mean the following. In this activity or questions, the meaning is given and you have to find out the lines from the poem. So let's start. Hope is light, delicate things. The line that refers this meaning is hope is the thing with feathers. Second, hope offers comfort to your soul. The line that refers the meaning is that perches in the soul and sings. See, hope is not wordy thought, it is more like feeling and emotion. The line that refers this meaning is and sings the tune without words. Next, in the most difficult time, hope offers the greatest comfort. The line that refers the meaning is and sweetest in the gale is here, and sore must be storm that could abase the little bird that keeps so many warm. Next meaning is given, hope is not easily defeated. The line and never stops at all. Next, hope has given comfort to many people. The line that refers the meaning that keeps so many warm. And the last, hope lives on in very hard time, even when it gets nothing from him. The line that refers the meaning is yet never in extremity, it asks a crumb of me. Now, next activity is we can relate many of our feelings and experiences to events or things in nature. Which of our feelings or experiences can we relate to the following? That means the situation is given. You have to write your feelings or experience. How can you feel how can you experience in such a situation? So let's start. The first, darkness. Our feeling or experiences is evil sign. A storm, difficulties. Sunrise, our feeling is progress or growth. A light shower, we can experience a pleasure. Sunshine, we can feel happiness. Earthquake, we can experience a sudden violent damage. A rainbow experience an unexpected joy. Dawn, dawn means the morning, the beginning of something. Now, next word, dark clouds. Dark clouds feel or experience our sadness, that is sad. Dusk is evening, that is the dusk is the time of evening. Dusk experience the end of something. A peacock feel pleasant feeling. And the last, flood experience that is the flood situation or the flood word, experience a lot of difficulties. So, these are some activities from English workshop of 1.3, and I hope that you will enjoy this video and you will get all the solutions of your difficulties. So thank you for watching this channel. We will come back with another video.